New this morning, the state of Maryland ends a decades-old law that allowed marriage to be used as a defense in cases of sexual assault. The spousal defense rule has been on the books for years, and our Matt Gregory talked to lawmakers and joins us now. Matt, how did this law work? Good morning.
Good morning, Annie. Well, up until this year, in certain sexual assault cases, if a victim and a suspect were married, prosecutors could not bring charges to the courtroom. Now, lawmakers have tried to have this defense removed before, but it took until this year's Maryland General Assembly to get it done.
It is 2023. That is archaic. Your rights should be the same whether you're married or not.
For years, Lisa Jordan of the Maryland Coalition Against Sexual Assault has heard the horror stories of married sexual assaults.
We had one case where a husband gave drugs to his wife, raped her, filmed it, and put it on the internet, all without her knowledge. And they could not prosecute that rapist for rape.
Jordan says that is a classic case of how spousal defense worked in Maryland. Under Maryland law, only first-degree sexual assault crimes in a marriage could be prosecuted.
When you got into second, third, and fourth, that's where it became a problem. So the stories we heard were often about women who were incapacitated or drugged or otherwise unable to consent.
Maryland State Senator Ariana Kelly spearheaded the law change in Annapolis, a process she says was just a simple clerical change.
Brackets are taken out of the code and the defense goes away, and these cases will be allowed to be prosecuted moving forward.
Despite being on the books for decades, both houses of the Maryland General Assembly unanimously struck down the spousal defense this spring, which means finally the spousal defense law changes this fall.
It was kind of a fundamental update to say that women's spouses, they're not property. You can't do whatever you want just because you said, I do.
Now, the defense will be deleted from Maryland Code on October 1st, but that means that spousal defenses still apply in Maryland until that day. Matt Gregory, WUSA 9.